Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw Bánh Xèo. This week's video was requested by one of our subscribers named Not. If you have something you'd like us to draw, make sure you let us know in the comments. Bánh Xèo is a crispy Vietnamese pancake filled with pork, shrimp, and bean sprouts. And it's eaten with herbs, lettuce, and fish sauce. To start our Bánh Xèo, let's start off with a long, slightly curved line for the part of the pancake that's folded over. Then, draw a really crinkly line going all the way around to the other side for the crispy edge. Inside of that shape, add another crispy edge curving from here to the other end again to get something that looks almost like a taco. Next, we can draw some slices of pork belly and shrimp for our filling. A lumpy rectangle sticking out from under the flap, with a thin line along the bottom edge to give it some thickness, and some lines across it for the texture. For a shrimp, draw a lumpy C shape next to it that comes to a point for the end and turns back up, getting thicker at the top for the meat. Then, add some detail with some short lines across the shrimp like so. And repeat that a few more times to add more slices of pork belly and shrimp all along the pancake to fill it up. Next, we can draw the bean sprouts. To keep it from getting too messy and confusing, we'll keep our bean sprouts simpler. Start with a really jagged line all along the inside of the pancake, under the meat, that goes all the way to the other side. Then, add another layer above that one, going all the way across again and staying under the meat. Do that as many times as you need to fill in the empty spaces between the pork belly and shrimp. Finally, to finish off the Bánh Xèo, add some dots all along the top of the pancake, with some more towards the middle where the pan was hotter and the batter cooked more. That's looking great. To take it to the next level, let's add some herbs and fish sauce. We can start a small mint leaf here with two shaky lines that form a leaf. Then, inside, a wavy thin line down the middle, and some branching off of the veins in the leaf. Repeat that a few times at different angles for some more mint leaves until you have a nice big bushel. To the left, we can draw a big oval shape for a saucer, with a curved line across it like so for the edge of the saucer, and another thinner line curving over it for the sauce. Add a few thin rectangles inside for some sliced carrots and daikon. Add a few more small pieces scattered inside for some minced garlic and chili. Next, we'll add some big pieces of lettuce behind the mint with some really wavy lines that go out and come back in like so. For some added detail, we can draw two wavy lines going up the leaf for the stalk and some thin lines branching out for the ruffly texture. Lastly, Draw a big oval underneath everything for the plate, with a short curved line here for the part of the plate that's lower. And now you've got a plate of Bánh Xèo. Do you have a favorite dish from your country that you'd like us to draw? If so, let me know in the comments below. And check out these videos for more.